गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत नः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती दीनामवित्रयवधू गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उदोध इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः याध इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यादवदयानो रुद्रमृदया यादे रुद्रशिवा धनुरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाचन्दमया गिरिजन्धाभिजागशीः यामिषं गिरिजन्धहस्ते विपश्यस्तवे शिवां गिरित्तदां कुरु माहि गुंसीः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसाध्वा गिरिजाच्च वदामसि यदा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असद् अद्य वोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषग् ऐकुश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्थाम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रु सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभिलो दिक्षु श्रिदा सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेदईमहे असौ यावसर्वदिनीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उदैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उदैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृदयादिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीदुषे अतो ये अस्य सद्वानोऽहं देव्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनस्तमुभयोराग्नियोज्याम् याश्च देहस्त इषवः परादा भगवो बभा अवदद्यदनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षजदेशुरे ऋषिर्यशल्यानां मुखा शिवो न सुमना भव विद्यन्तनुः कवर्दिनो विजल्यो बाणवागुम् उदा अनेशन्नस्येषव आपुरस्य निशं गदिः या देहेतिर्मीदुष्टमहस्ते बभूवते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्तमयक्ष्मय परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नाददाय कृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुदते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिदे धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वदः अतो य इषुदिष्टवारे अस्मन्निरेहिदम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिगाग्निघालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलगन्धाय मृत्युञ्जयाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनानेदिजां नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां बदये नमो नमः। सस्विञ्जराय द्विषेमदेवतीनां बदये नमो नमो बब्लुजाय विव्याधिनेनानां बदये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीदिने पुष्टानां पदये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगदां पदये नमो नमो रुद्राय ददाविने क्षेत्राणां पदये नमो नमः। सूदाय हन्याय वनानां पदये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपदये वृक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो मन्द्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पदये नमो नमो भुवन्दये वारिवस्कृतायोषधीनां पदये नमो नमः। उच्चे घोषाय ग्रन्थयदे बद्धीनां पदये नमो नमः। कृत्स्नवीदाय दावदे सद्वनां पदये नमः। नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पदये नमो नमः। ककुवाय निषङ्गिने सेनानां पदये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पदये नमो नमो वञ्जदे परिवञ्जदे स्तायूनां पदये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचराय अरण्यानां पदये नमो नमः। श्रीगाविभ्यो जिगागं दद्भ्यो मुष्णदां पदये नमो नमो सिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रगन्धानां पदये नमो नमः। उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्जानां पदये नमो नमः। इषुमद्योदन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आदन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आयच्छद्यो वृषजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। स्वपद्भ्यो जागृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो दावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः। नमः व्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। उगनाभ्यस्तृगं हदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रादेभ्यो व्रातपदिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः शुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। सेनाभ्यः सेनानीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। शक्तिर्भ्यः षण्गहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रदधारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृद्यो दन्वकृद्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः प्रभ्यश्वपदीभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिगन्धाय च नमः कवर्दिने च युक्तगेजाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शततन्वने च नमो गिरिजाय च शिबिविष्टाय च नमो वीदुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहदे च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च समृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आजवेजाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः सोदस्याय च द्विव्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च वरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च वगल्वाय च नमो जगन्याय च बुद्धियाय च नमः सोऽव्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय च वदान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आजुषेणाय चाजुरदाय च नमः शूराय जावविन्धदे च नमो वर्मिने च वरोदिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः स्तुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो दृष्णवे च प्रमृजाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णे शवे चायुरिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः कृत्याय च वद्याय च नमः काद्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सूर्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैजन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वश्याय च वश्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईद्रियाय च दप्याय च नमो वाद्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुवाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च अरुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयोभवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवधराय च नमः ईद्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय जावार्याय च नमः प्रदरनाय जोदरनाय च नमः आधार्याय जालाद्याय च नमः चष्व्याय जविन्याय च नमः त्रिगद्याय जाब्रवाह्याय च नमः ईरिण्याय जाब्रवद्याय च नमः किगुंजिलाय च शयनाय च नमः कवर्दिने च बुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ट्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्व्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काद्याय च गह्वरेस्ताय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्याय च शून्याय च नमः पन्याय च वह्नशद्याय च नमो भगुरमानाय च विघ्नदे च नमः आगिरदे च ब्रक्किरदे च नमो किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणगेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः निर्हदेभ्यो नमः आमिवत्केभ्यः द्रावे अन्नसस्वदे दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममद या ते रुद्रशिवा धनो शिवा विश्वः भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी दयानो मृदजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कवर्दिने शयद्वीराय प्रवरामये मदिं यदा नश्यमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् निदानो रुद्रोदनो मयस्कृतिः शयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमदे यच्चं च योश्च मनुरायजे विदातदस्यामतवरुद्ध प्रणीदोः मानो महान्दमुदमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्दमुदमान उक्षिदम् मानो बलिः पितरं मोदमादरं प्रियमानस्तनुवो रुद्धरीरिषः मानस्तोकेदनये मान आयुषिमानो गोषुमानो अश्वेषुरीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्धवामिदो बलिर्हविष्मन्धो नमसा विधेमदे आराधे गोग्न उदुपूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय त्वं नमस्मेरे अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधिजदेव ब्रूयराजनः शर्म यच्छत् विबर्हाः स्तुहिश्रतं दत्तसदैयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुदमद्दुमुग्रम् विदाचरित्ये रुद्धस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निव बन्धुसेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्विनक्तु परिवेशस्य दुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्वयस्तनुष्वामी वस्तोकायतनयाय मृदया मीदुष्टमशिवतम शिवो नः सुमना भव वरमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निदाय कृत्तिं वसान आचन विनागं बिभ्रदागहि विगिरिदविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेदयोन्यमस्मन्निव बन्धुदाः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुगाग्रिदि सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेजागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि अस्मिन् महज्जर्नवेन्दरिक्षे भवादि नीरग्रीवाशिरिकन्दा शर्वादः क्षमाचराः नीरग्रीवाशिरिगन्धादिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु तस्मिञ्जरा नीरग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकाश कवर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये बलाम्बदिरक्षलैरभृदायव्युदः ये देदानि प्रचरन्ति शिखाबन्धो निषङ्गिनः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्राभिदस्तिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि दन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं द्वादो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचे दश दक्षिणा दश प्रदिशे दशोदीचे दशोद्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृदयन्तु देयं विष्मो यश्च नोद्वेष्टितं भो चम्बे ददामि त्र्यम्बके यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुधं वाजा मृत्यो मध्याय हन्धवे तान्यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो माविशान्तकः तेनानेनाव्ययस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे भाहि तमुस्तु हि अस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वस्य च यदि वेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो बिर्देवसुरं दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवान् अयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्ववेशजो यगुं शिवा विमरुशनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः संयमे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वश्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे दविनं च मे यन्दा च मे दर्दा च मे क्षेमश्च मे दिदिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संदिच्च मे ज्ञातं च मे सुश्च मे भ्रसुश्च मे क्षीरं च मे लयश्च मर्दं च मे वृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवादुश्च मे दीर्घायुध्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुखं च मे शयनं च मे सुजा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्तिः प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
शुक्लाम्बरधरं गणपतिमन्त्रं
श्रीरंग विठ्ठला साई रंग विठ्ठला
श्रीरंग विठ्ठला साई रंग विठ्ठला
बोलो नारायण जय जय विठ्ठला
बोलो नारायण जय जय विठ्ठला
साई नारायण रंग रंग विठ्ठला
साई नारायण रंग रंग विठ्ठला
बोलो नारायण जय जय विठ्ठला
बोलो नारायण जय जय विठ्ठला
गोविंद विठ्ठला रघुमाई विठ्ठला
गोविंद विठ्ठला रघुमाई विठ्ठला
गोपाल विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला
गोपाल विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला
श्रीरंग विठ्ठला साई रंग 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 विठ्ठला बोलो नारायण जय जय विठ्ठला
चोरा यशोदा कृपा नवनीत चोरा गोपाल
चित चोरा यशोदा कृपा नवनीत चोर गोपाल
चित चोरा यशोदा कृपा नवनीत चोरा गोपाल
चित चोरा यशोदा कृपा नवनीत चोर गोपाल
की जय बोलो हनुमान की।
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा।
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 बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा 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 बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
परति पुरुष साई रामा पावन पुरुष साई रामा।
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 साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा।
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा बल भीमा।
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
परति पुरुष साई रामा पावन पुरुष साई रामा।
परति पुरुष साई रामा पावन पुरुष साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
आंजनेय वीरा हनुमंत शूरा।
आंजनेय वीरा हनुमंत शूरा।
आंजनेय वीरा हनुमंत शूरा।
आंजनेय वीरा
जय राधे श्याम
Jai Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram Jai Radhe Shyam
श्री राम जय राम जय राम सीता राम जय राधे श्याम
Jai Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram Jai Radhe Shyam
श्री राम जय राम जय राम सीता राम जय राधे श्याम
Jai Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram Jai Radhe Shyam
श्री राम जय राम जय राम सीता राम जय राधे श्याम
Jai Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram Jai Radhe Shyam
श्री राम जय राम जय राम सीता राम जय राधे श्याम
Jai Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram Jai Radhe Shyam
श्री राम जय राम जय राम सीता राम जय राधे श्याम
Jai Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram Jai Radhe Shyam
श्री राम जय राम जय राम सीता राम जय राधे श्याम
Jai Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram Jai Radhe Shyam
श्री राम जय राम जय राम सीता राम जय राधे श्याम
Jai Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram Jai Radhe Shyam
श्री राम जय राम जय राम सीता राम जय राधे श्याम
Jai Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram Sita Ram Jai Radhe Shyam Anjaneya Veera Hanumantra Shura
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्दविनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज्जतु यहोवशक्तितु येषु पिता प्रभुतु रुद्रविष्णुतु रामकृष्णतु रहीमताओतु रहीमताओतु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूपतु चिदानंद हरितु अद्वितीयतु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिवतु आत्मलिंग शिवतु आत्मलिंग शिवतु असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया शांति शांति शांति।
I offer my humble salutations at the lotus feet of my Lord and Master, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba and Om Shri Sai Ram, loving aspirants of Sai. On behalf of Chatsut Region 2, we welcome you to this morning's online devotional program. We pray and trust that with Swami's grace, you and your families are keeping well during these unprecedented times. Divine grace is like rain, pure, pellucid, falling on all. How it is received and used depends on the heart of man. The Lord does not test a man just for fun. He does not pile calamity on calamity because he enjoys it. Examinations are held to measure achievement and award marks and honors. You must ask to be examined so that your progress may be recorded. Satya Sai Speaks, Volume 3. The infographic for this morning. Do not waste anything. Even while washing their hands, some people open the taps too much, and in the process, much water gets wasted. wastage of water really pains me. Don't waste water. Don't waste food. Satya Sai Baba, Satya Sai Speaks, Volume 35. This morning's 108 Gem Experience will be shared by Sister Kriya of the West Cliff Sai Center.
Om Shri Sai Satya Swarupaya Namaha. I offer my humble pranams at thy lotus feet of our beloved Lord, Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Om Sai Ram. My name is Kriya Rampasad. I am honored to share with you my experience and my continuous journey with Swami. I was just 7 years old when I joined the Sri Satya Sai organization. At that time, I was never aware of what a great impact Swami has had on my upbringing and my character development. Growing up from a child to a teenager, I have been exposed to many challenges and peer pressure. But with Swami's teachings and the 5 human values instilled in me, I am able to have better judgment over my choices, and I am aware of what is right and what is wrong. My favorite experiences under the Sai Fold is being a part of the numerous Seva projects because these Sevas have taught me most about life. Being able to see the plight of others less fortunate is very alarming. It has taught me not to take life for granted, and what we have, we should appreciate it regardless of how big or small it is. I look forward in learning so much more with Swami behind me. I am so grateful to be a part of the Sri Satya Sai organization. I try my best every day to abide by Swami's teachings so that I can become the best version of myself and bring change to our world. Thank you, Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you, Sister, for sharing your experience with us. The regional announcements are as follows. Devotional announcement: Sunday morning sadhana at 5:30 a.m. Havan at 7 a.m. Thank you to the Amshlatuzana Sai Center for conducting the Havan this morning. The online devotional program at 7:30 a.m. Online Veda classes at 9:15 a.m. A humble appeal is being made to devotees to please attend the National Online Study Circle on Sunday, 13th of June at 6:30 p.m. This will be facilitated by our region. Education Wing announcements. Parents are requested to make arrangements with your child's guru to drop off bottle caps and bread tags that you have been collecting for the past year. Our Group 1 Speech Festival will take place on the 20th of June. Please diarize. The Ladies Forum announcements. Our next Ladies' Day celebration will be taking place on the 26th of June via the WhatsApp platform. For further information, please consult with your Center Ladies Forum convener. The Go Green initiatives are common to all wings. Devotees are encouraged to continue with the planting of speck boom, herb and veggie gardens. Please continue with the making of eco bricks and your Likit Japa sadhana. The can and paper recycling drive is ongoing, and love offerings generated from this initiative goes towards the Satya Sai School. For further information on all announcements, please liaise with your respective conveners or center presidents. We will now view a video followed by Aarti. During Aarti, please pray for the sick and needy, peace within ourselves, in our country, and in the world at large. Remember to please stay safe, stay blessed, always. wishing you a Sai-filled week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
So Karthik was about to be included in the team. Yes, he was in the team. But the previous day he got terribly injured when he was bowling at the nets.
And just before the test match, I get hit on my jaw.
That too in the nets?
In the nets. I didn't see it. My groin was strained and I was trying to figure out if I could play the test match because the team management, Krishnamachari Srikanth, they all said that let's see if you're fit. It just went underneath my hand, hard hit from close range. My mandible was broken. This was completely powdered. And my face was huge, like a huge bad mango.
Karthik couldn't play. And I got terribly upset when I got the news on the second day. For us, the only repose is Bhagavan, nobody else. And that is a very important stage. If anything happens, his career will be totally ruined. He was doing his second BCom at that time, second BCom honors in Delhi. And I got terribly upset with Bhagavan. You can shout at people, you can get angry with people with whom you have got privileges. Otherwise, that anger has no meaning. In my cupboard in my bedroom, I used to have two photographs, one photograph of Swami and another one of my wife. And every day I used to put flowers in the morning, the hibiscus flower, which is that 5-petaled leaf. We call it Shembarati. It's a Chinese hibiscus. And it doesn't gives out honey. Naturally, there is no fruit. Nothing is possible in that. Morning it blossoms, evening it fades out. So I used to keep it in the Swami's portrait and onto my wife's portrait on behalf of my sons. So evening I used to pray to Swami and then go to bed. That evening when I got that news before going to bed, I looked at both of them and really I showed my anger on them. With only one feeling, if Swami would have his son, would he have allowed such a situation? That is the only thing I asked him. But I was angry, terribly angry. Next day morning, I went there to remove the flowers. I was surprised to see. Similarly, of course, I shouted at my wife also, no doubt, both. On both the eyes of both the photographs, there were honey drops, like tears. I called my second son, because Karthik was not with me. I called my second son, see the honey drops in Swami's. Mama, really it is there, surprising. No, I told him yesterday I got wild with Swami. He has responded like this. Believe it or not, that's another 2 months. This happened, I think, in February there. He almost played till April. Very, very, very important matches. Even in Pakistan, he played ODI.
And I didn't come back from the tour. I don't know from where that reserve strength came. In spite of not being able to speak, on being on liquid diet, I ended up playing the one days and then came back and then only realized when I came into the hands of better doctors in Chennai that this mandible was powdered, that I had to be operated, that I had to have a plate inside and I wouldn't be able to do anything for 46 more days. And then in between what happened was that one of the sutures broke when I was all alone at home. And there's nobody. I can't open my mouth. Blood is filling in.
Oh God.
I was just thankful that, I don't know, again, a silent prayer. I said, what am I going to do? Huge house, can't call. Even if I call, I can't say anything. Even, what do I do? There's not a WhatsApp age then that I call, message and say, please, I need you guys. There was nobody there. There was no mom. My nana, nani were somewhere else. Dad was at the office. Brother was somewhere, I don't know where. My mother's auntie, who used to live Bangalore, she came out of nowhere again. And then she got hold of Dad at, again, landline to landline. By the time Appa came, which was another 1 hour, 15 minutes, my mouth was like literally the clot and everything, something oozing out. And I can't because it's wired up. I came out and then he rushed me. And I don't know, I still, when I think of it, it was all collecting, but it never came out like, yeah, it did spill out just possibly to let people know that it is happening. I don't know whether it's the prayer. I don't know what it is. It's all something which, when you ask me did you feel that around you? I've always felt it.
You see, that is in 2005, I came here for service, and I was in N9 block working there from 7 to 1 and 7 to 1. That is
When you say service, you're meaning Sevadar.
Sevadar, yes. From Tamil Nadu Seva, I came here, and I was here, the October to November they do the service. I came on October 24th to November 4th, I was here. I did the service. But I always used to crave to sit in Kullanthal to see Swami's darshan. Those days he used to come, 3:30 used to come. So I used to do my washing the clothes and all, come and sit immediately there at 3 o'clock in ordinary civil dress, but at the end of Kullanthal. Swami will come at about 3:30, go in the wheelchair, and sitting there I used to, Swami, you are not allowing me to sit by your side. I am not able to have a close look of you. You are not also able to see me closely. Like that I used to cry in my heart. This continued for all the 10 days. Previous batch he did not give darshan, so I also had to leave because my little son was alone there in Madras. I had to leave. But I came to know next day Swami gave darshan. So again I got angry with Swami. You made me get out quickly. You should have made me stay there, and you gave darshan to everybody. Everything only anger. That privilege you can have only with mother. With nobody else you can have that privilege. So Karthik came to Chennai for a cricket match. And before the cricket match, well before that, he phoned up and said, Appa, I have been, Swami, today Dravid came to me, the morning time, breakfast time, and he told that, Karthik, we all have been invited by Bhagavan for his 80th birthday. First you have to invite Karthik, and then you have to invite Tendulkar. I was really thrilled that they were invited, but I told him, I am extremely delighted, Karthik, for having given birth to you. Swami has invited you, but all of you behave very carefully because it's such an important forum and you are all national asset. So you have been called, behave very carefully. Okay, Pa, I will take care, no problem.
South Africa was touring us, and then suddenly I get asked that, will you come and should we go? Sunny Bhai has said, and this, that and the other. And then I said, look, I would like to take my father as well.
22nd morning he phoned up when I was in the office. Appa, I am going to tell you one more good news. I said, what is that? You are also coming with us to Swami's birthday. I said, how is that how I am coming? No, Pa, many of the cricket players are not coming for this. Only 7 or 8 of us are going. There are 2 aircrafts have been chartered. So naturally you can come in on that. So I asked them, immediately they agreed. Why do you hesitate for this? So Karthik was very particular. Appa should come in I should come in his aircraft only.
Appa joined me, we were in that thing, and I went off to sleep because it was an early morning flight. We had just finished a game, and then we were supposed to head back, reach, and also fly to Calcutta. So anyways, I fell off to sleep, and then Dad tells me the story that
Tendulkar, his friend, Yuvraj, Karthik, all of them went to sleep. Only Mrs. Mallika Srinivasan, myself and the co-pilot and pilot, we are awake. The co-pilot was telling, Madam, the visibility in Puttaparthi is very poor, we will not be able to land. Madam was shocked. What is this? Swami has invited us. How is it we cannot land? What is it you are telling? No, madam, since the time we left Chennai, we were trying. They were telling not to land at all, to go back. I was wondering, what Swami, what fun, what is that you are playing? You are inviting us. I don't know whether to cry or laugh. In my office, everybody is thinking Murali is going in a chartered flight. What to say? I was thinking of so many things. My mind was working on so many things. So I could find the aircraft taking a U-turn. Really, I did not know what to say. Believe it or not, within the next about, say, less than half a minute to 1 minute, I could see a huge well of Hillview Stadium and people sitting, as much as about 5 to 6 lakhs people sitting there, which I could not see few seconds before. Next minute, the aircraft plunged vertically down and all the players got up, even including me, my intestines came to the mouth. Because vertical down. What happened? What happened? He was asking. No, just the aircraft is plunging down, so don't be worried.
Oh, there's a small window of opportunity.
And next minute he was taxiing on the strip.
It was a strange rain. It was like when you go into a marriage, they do that when you walk in, there's like slight shower, a mizzle, which makes you feel fresh and good, but it doesn't drench you. So it was that kind of rain which continued for I don't know how many hours. The entire stadium was filled with so many thousands of people. There were ministers waiting down below. And there was that gentle rain which freshened up everybody but never drenched anybody.
Perfect.
So then Appa told me about the story of how the pilot had decided that, look, we have to go back now. I can't find an opening. And then suddenly, lo and behold, there's an opening and they managed to dive into that. And then, so the rest, and then we reach there. And then I'm the first person, I'm so close to Bhagwan and get the first laddu. It was strange. And all of us cricketers were like, Dadas standing up there, Bhagwan. And I was the first one to go to him, get that laddu. And I still have that photograph and I look at it, I'm like a young, fresh-faced Karthik next to Bhagwan. How lucky and how blessed I was.
Tendulkar came at the end as usual and he spoke for a few minutes. And I was also made to sit there. And that we were there from 7:45 to 10:20, 10:25 until the prasadam was distributed. I was looking at only Swami's face. I did not see who were all sitting. I never looked at the crowd because that's the closest opportunity. So look at that mother's face. I was really enjoying for 1.5 hours.
That what you had earned, that 10 days you couldn't see.
That's what I'm telling. This did not strike my brain till then. I'm telling you, after a few days, only Swami made me think about it. I just prayed to you, Swami, I should be closely sitting by your side and watching you. And you have made me come all the way and on the 80th birthday, which is supposed to be the best day for any man in life, you are the divine God. On your birthday, you made me sit by your side just at about 3 feet distance. And I could enjoy your Rupam and I had Darshanam.
On an occasion as grand as the 80th birthday, to come on stage next to him, get prasadam from him.
First laddu. It's as if the crowning glory.
Satya Sai, Satya Sai, Satya Sai Baba. Satya Sai, Satya Sai, Satya Sai Baba. A crown of hair, robe of red. Your name means truth. A crown of hair, robe of red. Your name means truth. Baba, I love you. Oh, Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Oh, Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Avatar, Avatar, sweet Avatar. Avatar, Avatar, sweet Avatar. Satya Sai, Satya Sai, Satya Sai Baba. Satya Sai, Satya Sai, Satya Sai Baba. A crown of hair, robe of red. Your name means truth. A crown of hair, robe of red. Your name means truth. Baba, I love you. Oh, Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Oh, Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you. Avatar, Avatar, sweet Avatar. Avatar, Avatar, sweet Avatar. Satya Sai, Satya Sai, Satya Sai Baba. Baba, I love you. Oh, Baba, I love you. Baba, I love you.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थमोक्ष प्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।